Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Bit of a milestone this one. This is the 10th video in the Buy Me a Coffee thank you series. Big thank you to Empty Belly for supporting the channel. This video is especially for you. I did try and get back on the caffeine train, the caffeine vibe, whatever you want to call it, but I failed. And I brought this. This is an M&M's brownie milkshake. I quite like milkshakes and sweet treats, so yeah, I promise the next one will be caffeinated or caffeine based. I promise. You have that promise from me. But yes, I saw this on the shelf. I don't know anyone else that tried this. I thought, yeah, let's give this one a go. Everything a growing boy needs there, as you can see, 168 calories and largely UHT and skim milk. Yum, 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 yum. So let's give this a shake and let's get this into a glass and let's give this a go. I'm going to need both hands for this, so jump cut. The power of editing. There we go, we're open. So let's get this into the glass then. Oh, lovely. It's the colour you'd expect, which, you know, for me in this series, I've looked at some nuclear looking stuff, but no, this is as it is expected, chocolatey. And you know what? The brownie was pretty good, to be honest. I'm not too sure about this one, to be fair. It's okay. It could pass. It tastes a brownie, basically. Don't know what I was expecting, but yeah, we'll have the rest of this, but I probably wouldn't buy another one, to be honest. I know there are other flavours, so yeah, thank you very much, Empty Belly, for the drink. I'll finish this one off as a meal replacement. Spoiler, it wasn't a meal replacement. And yes, thank you very much. I might try some more M&Ms in the future, as I say, but next time, back to caffeinated drinks for me. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, I'd really appreciate it. All the information on how to do this is in the comments and video description. That's all from me for now. Thank you again to Empty Belly for supporting the channel, and I'll see you soon. Cheerio.